Hi, here we meet again in my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and as usual for today I'm going to share you something very simple, very popular in our country where we can serve it during breakfast, lunch or dinner. We call it Kampung fried rice. Let's see the ingredients. Overnight rice, shallots, garlic and bird chilies, water convolvulus or water spinach, egg, silvered anchovies, shrimp powder, fish sauce, salt, oil. First, we pound the ingredients. If you have a chopper, you can always do that. I add in some silvered anchovies. Together with the onions or shallots and the garlic. I will transfer this on a plate. You don't have to pound it very fine. Just coarsely will do. Okay, now we can cut the water convolvulus here, or water spinach. Okay, we heat up the oil. Okay, now we fry the anchovies. Once it turns crispy, we can remove. Using the same oil, we can stir fry the pounded ingredients. Fry until it's fragrant. Okay, why we called it Kampung fried rice? Because in the village, Kampung is village. So in the village, they normally plant their own vegetables, chilies and everything. And so the ingredients is very easy to get for them to prepare a dish for breakfast or lunch or dinner. So that's why we call it Kampung fried rice. And now you see that the ingredients are fragrant and the aroma is already up here. It's very, very delicious. I'm going to add in the egg first. Just put the egg. Do not stir. Let it cook for a while. Okay, so now you can just split the egg. Because I don't want to get a fine texture, I want to have some rough texture from the egg. Now I'm going to add in the rice. And also the shrimp paste or shrimp powder. This is my fish sauce. And I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to add in some salt. Make sure, because not to add so much, because the anchovies and also the paste, the shrimp paste, is quite salty together with the fish sauce. I'm going to add in the vegetables and also the fried anchovies. So we stir fry further. So now our kampung fried rice is done. Here's my fried rice, my kampung fried rice, ready to serve. And if you wish to know more about fried rice, I have a few recipes which I will share with you. Please comment below, and maybe we can share in future or another recipe. Okay, if you don't have the vegetables that I use, you can always substitute to spinach or cabbage or other green vegetables. So this is how we serve, and sometimes we have our crackers by the side. But this is very delicious, very yummy, very spicy, very, very nice. This is how our Asian prepare our overnight rice, and we turn it into a fried rice. Very, very delicious and yummy. So for those who wish to try, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.